Hi, this is Jarno Visser from PowerBISolutions.com. In this solution I want to show you how to deal with a fiscal year in Power BI. What's the problem with a fiscal year in Power BI? Well, when you are reporting with a regular year, everything in Power BI is fine. Often you use a date table in your data model to filter your data based on a year or quarter or month, but all that dimensions are based on the idea that a year starts at the 1st of January and that it ends at the last day of December. But what if your reporting year is not starting at the 1st of January, but for example, at the 1st of October or the 1st of April? Then everything which is based on a regular year is going wrong. In this solution, I want to show you how to deal with a different reporting year